Catalant Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Catalant is a platform connecting businesses with expert consultants, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a freelance marketplace. The surprising truth is that Catalant focuses on business strategy, operations, and specialized expertise, providing vetted professionals for high-impact projects. Pricing is usually project-based or subscription-based. Small projects can start around, while larger enterprise engagements may cost thousands depending on scope and duration. You won't believe the value included: access to top-tier experts, project management tools, analytics, and the ability to scale expertise without hiring full-time staff. Most people get this wrong by assuming consultant marketplaces are informal. Catalant emphasizes quality, verified expertise, and structured workflows, making every dollar spent count toward measurable business impact. In conclusion, Catalant pricing reflects the quality of talent and platform efficiency. By understanding project-based fees, subscription options, and included services, you go from zero to pro in evaluating if Catalant is the right choice for accessing specialized business expertise without long-term commitments.